Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's get started with today's video. Hey guys, in this episode we're going to cover the typical settings you'll need to decide on when wanting to record video with triggered events. For this video, we're just going to focus on motion triggered events, but there are many types of events you can choose from and program in order to trigger video recording. A bit of housekeeping to mention: whenever you're connected to a camera using a web browser, is the yellow question mark and lowercase I buttons in the top right hand corner of almost every browser window. The yellow question mark is a link to the comprehensive online help menu, which will display information specific to the page currently opened. And then the yellow lowercase I button is to display the current camera information. Okay, now on to the topic at hand. From the browser soft buttons, click on the Setup menu. And from the Event Control section, click on General Event Settings and select Enabled from the drop-down box under Arming so that the camera can start detecting your defined events. Click Set and then arrow back to the previous page. And click on Recording, which will display the factory default settings. Note, I'm not going to cover all of the settings in this section during this presentation, but if you'd like to know more, just click on the yellow question mark in the upper right hand corner. From the storage settings section, choose Event Recording from the drop-down box under Recording. Decide whether or not you want to include audio in your recording streams. Note that the camera needs to be one with the audio option built in. In the Start Recording section, highlight Select All in brackets. And then choose your preferred frame rate. And choose an amount of recording time before event. Choosing something other than 0 will include pre-motion images into a clip, which tends to help you create a full story of that event. In the Re-Trigger Recording section, highlight Select None in brackets. And in the Stop Recording selection, highlight Select None in brackets. Then you'll notice that full image recording by default is turned off, but I would say more times than not you should turn this feature on. And I'll click on the Help button to explain what that's all about. Well, that's about it, guys. And when you double check your preferred settings, remember to click Set, Close, and then OK from the last page that you're in to save those settings to the camera. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.